Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and codecs, because latency often comes from low battery or incompatible audio codecs. Once done, put earbuds into pairing mode and forget previous connections on the source device to force a fresh link. Make sure your device is set to the lowest latency codec available, aptX low latency, AUX, or similar, and disable any audio effects. Move close to the source and clear obvious RF interference. This initial reset aligns settings and prepares both ends for a clean, low-delay connection. Now you reconfigure the audio path to remove buffering and software mixing. On your phone or PC, choose the earbuds as the sole audio output so system mixers and virtual devices won't add latency. Next, force the low-latency codec in developer or advanced Bluetooth settings. This tells the source to use frames optimized for speed. Restart both devices after setting the codec. You need a clean handshake. Pair only the earbuds, not other Bluetooth peripherals, since multi-point connections often introduce extra processing and delay. Finish by measuring results. Play a clapper test video or latency tester to confirm audio sync. You want single-digit tens of milliseconds, not hundreds. If you still see delay, update earbuds and source firmware again, and consider a factory reset on the earbuds. Sometimes cached profiles cause persistent buffering. If all software steps fail, use an external Bluetooth transmitter that supports aptX low latency or a wired connection. This hardware path often fixes delays when device-level codecs aren't available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.